Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine, good. All of you have your books with you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, you know the date of your UT2 French exam?
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. It is on 19th of November.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Are you all aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So, what is the syllabus? Did you check what's the syllabus? Okay, Utkarsh. Children, can you please be present in the class? Mihika, Saksham, Jivyansh, Akshita, Shreya, Vishesh, Anshika. Can you, can I have you all present in the class? Yes, good Vishesh, good Jivyansh, good Anshika, Saksham, Mihika, yes. Now let's begin the class. So the syllabus is leçon 7 et leçon 8. Correct? Then, children, do you have any doubts regarding this chapter? Or let's just move on with the this thing, revision like that. Do you have any doubts or no doubts at all?
Ma'am, no doubts.
No doubts at all.
Ma'am, no
Okay. So let
No
me
doubt.
ask you a few questions. Tell me, how do you use the word DE? What does DE mean? Type in the chat box. Yes, the word DE is used in place of and from. Now, if you have to use this word DE before a name starting with a vowel, how do we use it? Like suppose I want to say from school. How am I going to write? Just write and show from school. So children, can you read all these answers in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, Saksham and Akshita. Do you think their answer is correct or your answer is correct? Saksham, you are not clear, beta. Something is wrong with the microphone, I think. Whenever we type this kind of a word before starting with a vowel, we remove this E. And what we put an apostrophe. Please take care of this thing because this is one place where students make this mistake and they lose their marks. So, how you have to type it? It's decol. Either it will be decol or it will be the lecol. That will be correct. It won't be the ecol. That makes it wrong. Also, let's come on to places and talk about a place where we have to use to the. Did I include this thing in our last class? to the, at the, in the, before places?
No, ma'am.
No?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Suppose I want to say, I go to school. How am I going to write it? I go to school. Now, school, whenever I have to place any preposition before a place, I have to take care of the gender of that place. Everything in French has got a gender. Now, when I talk about a school, school is what? Une école. School is feminine gender. So, for using to the before a feminine place, what do we put? We place a la. How is it written? It's written as a la. But these come with accent grave, which is difficult to put in a laptop. Can you all see this? Now, if I have to say I go to school, how am I going to type this? How am I going to write this in French? Everybody write in French and in the chat box. Aradhya, please put your camera on.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Taranjot, camera on. Yes, it will come. Je vais à l'école. That's correct. Je vais à l'école. Now, if I want to say I go to cinema. Cinema is cinema in French and cinema is masculine gender. How will I write that? I go to cinema. Saksham's reply is Je vais au cinéma. Vishesh says Je vais à la cinéma. Je vais au cinéma by Mihika. Je vais au cinéma. Now, cinema is what? Cinema is a masculine place, children. So we put O before it. O also means to the, like how ala means to the, au also means to the, but it comes before masculine places. Now, this is how we put preposition when we use sentences like I go to the. Now, there are different things in this chapter. Let's just cover up one of you. Who is going to do the reading of chapter 7? Who will read? Vishesh, yes.
Leçon 7. Quel jour sommes-nous?
Vishesh, lesson 7. What is 7 in French? Yes. Go on.
Quel jour sommes-nous? Écoutez et regarde Manuel. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? Caroline. Nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. Manuel. Demain, nous avons un cours d'anglais. Je adore l'anglais. Anish. Et après-demain, qu'est-ce que le week-end? Caroline. Alors, tu vas le samedi. Isabelle et Manuel vont à la piscine. Anish, je vais au club de sport et Caroline. Caroline, le samedi, je vais à la piscine, mais ce samedi, nous allons au cinéma.
Very nice. So, how do we ask when we have to ask what is the day today? How do we ask it in French? We say, Quel jour sommes-nous? If we literally translate it, it means which day we are in. But what we say, what is the day today? Quel jour sommes-nous? So the reply becomes, sommes-nous is what? A question. To put it into answer, we do it, nous sommes. Nous sommes. Okay, children, tell me what is the day today? Friday. What is Friday in French? Vendredi. So the reply is, nous sommes vendredi aujourd'hui. Today it is Friday. Nous sommes vendredi aujourd'hui. Today is called aujourd'hui. What is tomorrow? Type it in the chat box. What is tomorrow? Dama. Very nice. Tomorrow is Dama. What is yesterday? D-E-M-A-I-N is Dama. Very nice. Yesterday is H-I-E-R. Here. And what is day after tomorrow? Après Dama. That's correct. So these are days like today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is how we write them in French. Now he says, ah, demain nous avons un cours d'anglais. J'adore l'anglais. That is, tomorrow we have a class of English. Now pay attention how they have used of English. The and anglais together becomes d'anglais. Tomorrow we have a class of English. J'adore l'anglais. I like j'adore. J'adore comes from which verb? Adore comes from which verb? Adorer. The ER ending verb. I love English. Suppose I want to say we love English. Type it in the chat box. What are we going to type? We love English. Only one reply, children, so far. No, same wrongly. Very nice. So, aimer verb with nous becomes aimant. Nous aimons l'anglais is the correct answer according to what it is given here. Then, et après-demain, c'est le week-end. And day after tomorrow is the weekend. Alors, tu vas où le samedi? Now here, when they say tu vas où le samedi, what does that mean? That means they are talking about the general routine. Whenever we place this article le before the name of a day, that becomes on Saturdays. Now here, le samedi becomes on Saturdays. So the question is, where do you go on Saturdays? Isabelle et Manuel vont à la piscine. Isabelle and Manuel go to the swimming pool. So what reply she gives? Anish says, je vais au club de sport. Now see children, club is a place which is masculine. So they have put O before it. Je vais au club de sport. And Caroline replies, on Saturdays, I go to the swimming pool, but on this Saturday, we are going to the cinema. Now the difference is le samedi and se samedi. Le samedi means on Saturdays, mais se samedi, but this Saturday we are going to the cinema. That is what is given. The difference between le before a day and normally when you use day without any article. What difference is that becomes? Now, dit, re, ufo. Who is going to read the first one? Tell me who's nobody. Nobody is going to read the first one. One by
Ma'am,
one,
which
all of
one?
you have to read each sentence. Mihika, let's start with you.
Ma'am. Ma'am, manual यूं कर दोंगले वंद्रदी.
Manuel a cour dongle
Dongle
vendredi.
वंद्रदी.
Is it true
No,
or
ma'am.
false? Huh?
False.
Why?
False.
Why?
Ma'am, it is on Jodi. The class is on.
No. Today it's Yadi and tomorrow we have a class of French. Oh, of English. What are they talking? That today it is Thursday. Demain nous avons un cours d'anglais. What is demain? Tomorrow.
Oh, ma'am, I didn't read the ma.
Yes.
Ma'am, I read
So it's Ray. Tomorrow they have a class of English. Then Anshika, read the second one.
Demain, ils ont un cours de français. Faux.
Demain, ils ont un cours de français. Faux. That's correct. Then we have, who is going to read the third one?
Ma'am, may I?
Divyansh, yes, read the third one.
Samedi, il va la piscine.
Samedi, il va à la piscine. Yes. Yes?
Ma'am, so
See, now here it depends who this il is used for. If it is used for Manuel, then it is true. And if it is used for Anish, then it's false. But let's take that it's used for Manuel. Why? Because a sentence for Anish is given on number 5. So let's take it that it's given on Manuel. If it's given on Manuel, then the sentence is Ray, because he goes to the swimming pool on Saturday. The next one, Saksham. Saksham, I think your microphone is not working better. We are not able to hear you. Okay, Aradhe Chabra will read the fourth one. Aradhe, Shashank, Aradhe, Shriya, Taranjot, Akshita, I told you to put your cameras on. No, Saksham, something is wrong with your microphone. It's not working. So I believe that Akshita, Shriya, Aradhe, Shashank are not present in the class. Utkarsh, read the fourth
Ma'am, I'm
sentence.
present. Ma'am, just a second, ma'am. I'm facing some difficulty with the camera.
Utkarsh Gangwar, read the fourth sentence. Even if you cannot put your camera on, read the fourth sentence. He seems to be absent. Shashank, I don't know. Okay. Taranjot, read the fourth one.
Okay, ma'am. Caroline va à la piscine le dimanche.
Caroline va à la piscine le dimanche. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
No. She goes to Sunday. She goes to swimming pool on Sunday.
Let me just check once. No, ma'am, on Saturdays. It's false.
On Saturdays. Caroline va à la piscine le dimanche. 4. Aradhe, the fifth one will be read by you.
Yes, ma'am. Anish Wow Club. This sport. Ma'am, this is 4.
Anish goes to the sports club. It's 4.
Memory.
He doesn't go. He goes to
Ma'am,
the
Ray.
Ray. It's Ray because he goes to the sports club.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who is going? Okay. When we have to say that there are 7 days in a week, how do we say that? We
Ilya
say
Sept Ju.
Elia, Sept,
Ilya
Ju,
Sept Jours
Don, Yun, Simen.
dans une semaine.
Ilia
Semaine.
7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Now, if I only have to say that the days of the week, how will I say? The days of the week.
Les jours de la semaine.
Very nice. Les jours de la semaine. See, it's written on the top, page number 74. The pink table, above the pink table, days of the week, and how we say there are 7 days in a week. Clear? Now let's read out these days. What is Monday called? Monday in French is
Ma'am,
called lundi.
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 Tuesday,
Mardi.
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 Wednesday, mercredi.
Mercredi.
Thursday, jeudi.
Jeudi.
Jeudi. Friday, vendredi.
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 Yes.
Vendredi.
Saturday, samedi. Samedi. And Sunday is
Samedi.
dimanche.
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 Okay, if I ask you, il y a combien le jour dans une semaine? Reply. Il y a combien le jour dans une semaine?
Il y a 7 jours dans une
Ilya
semaine.
Sept Jours
Very
dans
nice.
une semaine. There are
Okay.
7 days in.
Combien le jour il y a dans le week-end?
Les 7
In a weekend. Now, weekend is of how many days? Generally of 2 days. So, il y a
Il y a
deux
2
jours.
jours.
Il y a
Il y a
deux jours. Now, if you want to say there are only 2 days, only. What is the word for only? The word for only, everybody see in the chat box. Seulement. Il y a seulement 2 jours. We can also say it like that. Il y a seulement 2 jours.
How is this pronounced, ma'am?
Seulement. S-E-U-L, seul, M-E-N-T, ment. Like how we do it in comment. Okay. Then we have on page number 75, aller verb. Now, tell me what is the plural of Yahweh?
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous allons. What is the singular of vous allez?
Tuva.
Tuba. What is the singular of ils vont?
Il va.
Ilva.
Ilva.
Elva.
Ilva. So that's very clear to all of you. There is no confusion here. Now, what about the exercises of this chapter that we have already done? Is there anybody in the class who has not done it? Anybody in the class who has not done it? Children, all of you have done it. Then let's move on to the next chapter. The next chapter, leçon with La famille de Manuel. C'est la photo de ma famille. Now here we come across a new word, ma. What is ma?
My
My.
My.
Now,
My.
what are the
My.
different ways of using the same word my?
ma,
What?
ma,
Ma'am,
mo,
Ma.
and A
Mo.
Ma'am,
Mo
M
Ma
is
and
for masculine.
feminine
Me,
and MO
me,
for
me.
masculine.
More
huh?
for
Ma'am,
Anshika,
masculine.
once
mo
again.
for masculine.
moi,
MA for feminine and MO for masculine.
Is it MO
ma'am,
for masculine, children?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
MON.
MON for masculine.
Yes. MON.
MON.
It's
MON.
okay.
ma'am,
Mo, ma. And what comes for plural?
moi,
Me. MES.
MES.
Yes.
May.
I'm typing in the
Ma'am,
chat box, children. Everybody pay attention here. Please ignore these accents because in laptop I can't type these accents. Mon père, ma mère, and mes parents. Always remember it through these two things. Mother, father, and parents. The usage of mon, ma, and me. Now, if I want to say your father, your mother, and your parents, informal. I'm not talking about formal. It's informal. What will I write? Ton père,
Votre parent.
so mon, ma, me becomes ton, ta, and te in informal. Taranjot, beta, informal, in not informal. Formal में it becomes votre, and vo. Now, if I'm talking, suppose if you are talking to me, that is a formal, or I am talking to you a formal way. What will I type? It went to Utkarsh Gangwar privately. See, just a minute. Ta, ta, te. If I want to say your father, your mother, and your parents, it comes like this: votre père, votre mère, and vos parents. Clear? Similarly, if I want to say our father, our mother, and our parents, what it becomes? Notre, and no. Now, if I say her father, her mother, and her parents, her father, her mother, votre, and wo will come. Yes. And notre, and no will come. Vishesh, you also asked a question, ma'am, what does mua mean? Mua means me. Mua is how we use me. Now, if I want to say her father is what? Son père, S-O-N. Mon, ton, son, S-O-N. Her mother, sa mère. Ma mère, ta mère, sa mère. And her parents, similar, me, te, and se, S-E-S. So it is a very easy table, but how you use it, like What are those tables in Sanskrit called? Roop and Dhatu, something like that. क्या होते हैं वो? What is that? Don't you know?
Mami,
Huh?
Ma'am,
only gut.
I'm forgotten. All
Something
the
like
Sanskrit things.
tvam, tu, tvam, yujam, something like that. So similarly, this table goes like mo, ma, me, to, ta, te, so, sa, se, like that. This is how you learn, the way you learn tables in French, in Sanskrit. So this is the concept. Now let me read out this chapter before you. Okay, no, who will read? Why will I read? Shreya is going to read. Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
read it. How long should we wait, beta? Where is Shreya? Shreya, are you reading it? Okay, let's get her removed from the class. Shreya, shall I remove you from the class? Are you ready for it? No reply means yes. So she's been removed. Utkarsh Gangwar, you have to read it.
I'm 2 minutes. I'm just.
I don't mind even if you read it with your cameras off. Utkarsh Gangwar, are you reading it?
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Utkarsh, how long shall we wait? Shreya is saying, yes, ma'am, I'm reading, but now she's gone. Utkarsh also wants to be removed. I don't mind removing these students from the class. Utkarsh, I'm removing you. Ma'am, 2 minutes. No, ma'am. Why 2 minutes? In 2 minutes, if you don't put your mic on, you'll be removed from the class. Till then, let's have Shashank Nivodit. Shashank, are you there in the class? Okay, he is not there. No reply means he's not there. Let me remove him. And all of you got a chance to read, children? Rest all got this
Ma'am,
chance.
may I read?
Yes, Utkarsh,
Yes,
start.
Ma'am. Ma'am, what was the word, ma'am?
Page number 79, chapter 8.
Okay. Ma'am, the paragraph.
Beta, you have to read from the beginning.
More brown carrot, subtle.
Be a little loud. Yes?
More brown carrot, subtle, and child loveliness.
Okay, this M stands for Monsieur. Like we write MR for Mr. In French, M is Monsieur.
Okay. Il a 77 ans.
Il a
I have a doubt.
77 ans. What is 77 children in French? Soixante.
Soixante,
Dix-sept.
77.
Very good.
77.
77 ans. Then, il parle, read.
Il parle 4 langues.
Il parle 4 langues.
He
long.
speaks 4 languages.
Yes.
Il est adorable.
Il est adorable.
Marble.
It's rable, not rebel. It's rable. Il est adorable.
Ma'am, it will be adorable.
Yes, il est adorable. Est adorable. Then
Madame Mary s'appelle. Ma'am,
it is Madame. MME stands for Madame.
Madame François Lavin. Il est 70 ans.
Ce sont these ons. Then
La musique. Elle est sympathique.
elle aime la musique.
Elle est sympathique.
Il est sympathique. So till here, they talk about their grandfather and the grandmother. Mon grand-père s'appelle. What does that mean? S'appelle?
Ma'am,
Calls himself.
Yes.
Call
When we
himself.
use m'appelle means call myself. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles and elle s'appelle. Il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. So here they have used the name. They haven't used il. No, sorry, they have used il. Like instead of il, they have used grandfather. Mon grand-père s'appelle. My grandfather calls himself Monsieur Charles Lavigne. Il a 77 ans. He's 77 years. Il parle 4 langues. Il est adorable. Ma grand-mère s'appelle Madame Françoise Lavigne. Elle a 70 ans. Elle aime la musique. Il est sympathique. Now Vishesh, read the
Yes,
next one.
ma'am.
The next line.
Mon père s'appelait Patrick Levigny. Elle a 45 and
What is
elle
45?
aimait
What is
Caron sang.
Caron,
Caron sang.
Very good. Caron sang.
Caron sang. Elle aimait le football. Elle est très intelligente. Ma mère s'appelait Mame Virokni Levigny. Elle a
Madame. Beta, it's
Madame.
Madame. MME.
Madame Virokni Levigny. Elle a 40 ans. Elle aimait le théâtre. Elle est jolie.
Okay. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Lavigne. Wherever we have this G and E, we do not call out this G. What it becomes? G is silent. Now it becomes Lavigne. Okay. Like champignon. Mushrooms, they have, what do we call them? Champignon. Lavigne. Il a 45 ans. Il aime le football. Il est très intelligent. Très intelligent. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Véronique Lavigne. Elle a 40 ans. Elle aime le théâtre. What is it? Le théâtre. How do you call it? Théâtre. Elle est jolie. What does that mean? She is
Pretty.
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 Then, mon frère s'appelle Denis Lavigne. What is this line?
My brother
My
calls
brother
himself.
called himself
Brothers calls
Dennis
him
Lavigne.
Dennis Levine.
Il a 16 ans.
He is 16 years old.
Il aime le rugby.
He likes rugby.
Yes. Now, children, have you noticed whenever they have used any sport or anything like theater, they have always put this definite article before it.